Before we wrap up, let's summarize what we have covered in this module. First, we have used a small dataset which is provided as part of the Git repo, and then we have come up with Pandas, Polars, and PySpark code to recap the syntax or to understand the syntax. Once that is done, using generate car sales data.py, we have generated considerable amount of data, and we have seen both code level differences as well as performance level differences by comparing Pandas, Polars, and PySpark. Then we have gone to the presentation. As part of the presentation, we have not only compared Pandas, Polars, and PySpark, we have even included cloud data warehouses, and then we have come up with a gradation framework comparing all the four and see where these actually fit while building purpose-built solutions. In case if you need resources that are used to demo as part of this module, look at the description. You will have link to our newsletter. Subscribe to our newsletter and you will get the details in the form of article. After subscribing to the newsletter, if you haven't received the details, feel free to follow up with us at support@itversity.com, and then our team will share the details with you. Finally, thank you very much for your time. In case if you haven't subscribed to our channel yet, make sure to subscribe and hit on bell icon. In case if you want me to speak on any topics around data and AI, feel free to comment. I'll try to come up with content around those topics.